Alright guys, so we're heading to the Fast and Furious roller coaster structure. It's time for an update, and I'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so we finally made it, and this nothing big, and look over here. And that black screen, and it's been taken down. There's a hole. One over there. And that track is connected over there. Oh, where it begins. And it goes right here, over here, and all the way up. So we're back over here, and before the end of the it comes back over here. And then that goes back to straight back to the exit. And then there's some more stairs out there. More soundtrack walls and those. So chilling by the corner over here. And you notice that the Fast and Furious Superchargers has been closed. It's about to be closed by tomorrow. Alright, so thanks for watching. Remember, everything goes. So Fast and Furious on the
So, when are we going to do this?
2 minutes now, man.
I want to I could be an alternative. He's pushing it.